Hi guys, welcome to Knowledge Base. In this video, we want to look at a simple calculation under the speed of a wave. The question says the frequency of a vibrating source is 450 Hz and the velocity of the sound it produces is in air is 330 meters per second. How far will the sound travel when the source completes 50 vibrations? We are just going to sort out the parameters in my usual format. This question bothers on wave in physics. We are told that the frequency of the vibrating source is 450 Hz. We are told that the sound, the speed of sound it produces in air is 330 meters per second. So the speed v equals to 330 meters per second. We are told to calculate how far, which is what distance will the sound travel. Distance s equals to question mark. That's what we are looking for. What is the distance the sound will cover when the source completes 50 vibrations? So we are given that the vibrations equals 50. So we want to recall first the formula for the speed in physics. Distance rather. Distance s is equals to speed times time, which is velocity times time, v times t. Here we know the velocity, but we don't know the time. However, we can calculate the time it takes for 50 vibrations. First, let us know the period of vibration. What is period? Period is the time it takes to complete one vibration. In other words, if we can calculate the period of this wave, we can then multiply the period by 50 to know how long it will take to complete 50 vibrations, because we know that the period of a vibration or the period of an oscillatory motion is equal to the time taken for one vibration. And the formula for the period is given as t equals to 1 all over f, where f is the frequency. So we are just going to take the inverse of the frequency 450 and we obtain the period. So that the period t will be equals to 1 all over 450 seconds. If it takes 1 all over 450 seconds to complete one vibration, what will be the time it will take to complete 50 vibrations? Definitely, the time t to complete 50 vibrations will be equal to the period times 50. And that is t equals to 1 over 450 times 50. 50 divides 450 to give us 9. So it becomes 1 all over 9 seconds. So it took 1 all over 9 seconds to complete 50 vibrations. Now we know the speed of vibration. We equally know the time to complete the 50 vibrations. So we can calculate the distance s. The distance s becomes 330 for the speed times 1 all over 9 for the time taken. And if you do 330 divided by 9, it will give you 36.67 meters. So this is the distance covered by the sound when it travels for 50 oscillation. I hope you enjoyed this video and it is clear enough. If you did, then solve this simple one. It says a radio station broadcasts at frequency of 300 kilohertz. What is the period of the radio wave? Remember, this is kilohertz. You need to convert it to hertz before you solve. Put your answer in the comment section and I'll be there waiting for you. Once again, thank you for watching this video and hope to see you in the next video. Please like, share this video and also comment. Thank you.